all. I am Manju Chan, Research Scholar, PG and Research Department of Botany, Samurai Gurayappan College, Calicut, Kerala. Here I am presenting poster topic on effect on nutrient status, pH and salt concentration of growth and sporulation of two isolates of Trichoderma arceana under in vitro conditions. Various isolates of Trichoderma species are being used widely as potential biocontrol agents to control many soil-borne plant pathogens and also act as plant growth enhancers. Objective: envisage the influence of different external factors such as nutrient status, pH and salt concentration of growth and sporulation to efficient isolates 1 and 2 of the Trichoderma arceanum. Materials and method: sterilization process and maintenance of aseptic conditions for the microbiology works carried out. Isolation: Trichoderma isolated from ginger root with the help of specific rose Bengal agar medium. Test fungus treat class different treatments as given below and monitor the growth and sporulation. The nutrients: PDA medium with the concentration of potato 10 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram and 25 gram and dextrose at 1 gram, 1.5 gram, 2 gram and 2.5 gram per 100 ml prepared separately. Then pH: PDA medium with the varied pH range such as 4.5, 5.5, 6.5 and 7.5 are prepared by adding either 1 normal HCl or 1 normal NaOH. Then salt: various salt concentration are prepared by adding the sodium chloride into PDA medium such as 0.04 gram, 0.06 gram, 0.08 gram and 0.1 gram per 100 ml. The enumeration of the Trichoderma spores carried out with the help of hemocytometer. Then the result: the case of nutrients, both the isolated growth rate increasing with the concentration of potato and dextrose, but the increase in potato concentration, then the sporulation of the both the isolates decreases. Then the pH is suitable for the sporulation and growth rate. Mycelial growth rate is suitable is 4.5, pH 4.5. The NaCl, none of the applied NaCl constantly significantly inhibited mycelial growth of the both the isolate, but the sporulation was found to be decreased in the concentration of the salt in the medium increases. Isolate 2 produced no more spores at any concentration of salt treatment. Then the discussion: potato, dextrose, pH and salt has significant role in the growth and sporulation of Trichoderma arceana. Then conclusion: in all the treatment, isolate number 1 showed the comparatively initial growth rate and sporulation than number 2. Isolate number 1 produced a small but large number spores, but number 2 produced large size and but less number of spores. Thank you.